Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to set up a way to access your chat history on Messenger. And in order for us to do that, we have to do is to launch our Messenger application. We are going to tap on the three lines, then we're going to tap on our settings icon. We're going to scroll down until we see privacy and settings, and then we're going to tap on end-to-end encrypted chats, and then we are going to tap on message storage. And as you can see, I had already secured a storage in which when we just move just down here to manage secure storage, we're going to see turn off secure storage, hit it, and turn off secure storage. Now, let's secure storage, which is this one right here that says turn off secure storage. It's the one that is backing up our chats in Messenger. And another thing we should remember is that when our device's storage runs low, messages older than 90 days may be deleted. And as we tap here, we have the option to learn more on how that one actually works, and that's how we can actually access our chat history on Messenger. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.